Something important became visible inside the Live Soap School website. Real people showed up with clear intent without any public promotion or manual effort on my part. That didn't happen by accident. It happened because the underlying system was already in place. Business Tech Lab designed the infrastructure. Live Soap School is where it runs in real life for a real business because I have to test it for myself before I can recommend it for any of my clients. So, search structure connected local Google searches to specific Live Soap School pages. This becomes really important, especially as we're entering the age of AI search. Those pages were built to meet one clear need at a time. No friction, no going over. And the on site AI helped visitors orient themselves and take the next step without any friction or any intervention from me. What stood out wasn't traffic. We didn't get millions of hits. It was readiness of the people who landed on the site. Someone reached the Creative Wellness Workshops page through an exact search and was ready to book immediately, even before the checkout path was fully finalized. At the same time, the Soap Business Blueprint received multiple waitlist signups. There was no launch and no announcement. Several consulting conversations also came through the AI. One moved from that initial conversation to a scheduled meeting within hours. All of this surfaced through the same system. Now, what this revealed was simple: the architecture worked, and it showed me where permanent doors still need to be installed. Like, okay, Zakia, when's this workshop? People want to take it. Now, that's not a problem. That's useful information. Business Tech Lab builds systems that make demand visible. Live Soap School proves them in real operating conditions. What works here becomes what we teach because it's already doing the work.